so give us a big thumbs up and let's just get started. Pokemon Bath Bomb.
Alright, so we're gonna see what's inside that Pokemon Bath Bomb. Who gave you that bath bomb?
Auntie Christina, and real quick, I'd just like to thank her for giving me this bath bomb in the first place.
And me too.
Alright, and what scent is that bath bomb?
Lemongrass. Oh, how I wish we had smell-o-vision so you guys could just smell it right there. Smell it, smell it.
Let's see. That sounds like something Willy Wonka would come up with.
Yeah.
Smell-o-vision. So it looks just like your typical Pokeball. The white and red and the black stripe. Alright, so do you guys want to see what's inside? I guess there's a surprise Pokemon inside. What do you think, Grace?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, look at it fizz. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's like a peach.
Yeah, that's really cool. Does it smell good?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it smells.
Smell it right there. Remember the spot.
Smell-o-vision? Wow, it almost looks like a volcano kind of.
Yeah.
Swirl it around. Ooh, the water's warm.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Does smell
Oh,
nice.
I think it's just about almost finished.
Do you see anything in there?
No, not yet. Let's see.
What could be
Oh,
inside?
I think I know who it is. I think I might know.
You know?
I think I might
What's
know.
your guess? Wait, let the fans guess first. Who do you think it is? Okay, we'll find out. Who do you think?
Buffalo!
Okay. Do you have that card?
It's not a card, it's a figure.
Oh.
No,
There's no card?
No, but I actually have no figures, so this is kind of cool. Oh, let's check it again.
Let's see. Oh, I think it's out. Is it?
Almost. Oh,
What is
it's
it?
not Poplio. I don't
not?
know who it is,
What is
but
it?
it's not Poplio. We have to let
Let's
it.
dissolve it more. Let's see.
Come
Help
on.
dissolve it, Grace.
Help. Oh, I see it. I know what it is.
What is it?
It's the evolution of Houndour. Stoutland, I believe.
Can you get it out of there? There we go.
Yep.
What is it?
It's a Stoutland.
Oh, let's see. Oh, that's cute. So this is a Pokemon?
Yes.
Oh, very cool. All right, well, we're not gonna put that bath bomb to waste. We are going to dump that in their bath and they are gonna take a bath. So, did you have any final comments for your fans?
Real quick, I'd just like to announce that we reached 10 likes on our newest Pokemon video. We're going to show my entire Pokemon collection. Ah!
It's a pretty big collection, everybody, so be ready.
Yeah, stay tuned because we might give away some of my extras.
All right.
Have a nice evening. Bye.